Be ready. Start. Same time to find the peaceful life of the country, they will not find it stop. The ease with which it is now possible to reach the country places has made them less worth reaching stop. There is, I think, nothing that we can do about it stop. Motor cars are with us and are likely to be, and while we have them, we shall without doubt use them stanza. There are, however, still places which are away from the wide roads and great motorways stop. There are lovely little places in the back ways, byways of the countryside which, because of the quality of the roads, are seen by few stop. The best way to see such a place is to walk stop. Feet are certainly not used as much as they used to be. We like to move more quickly than our feet while take us stop. Our feet are still, however, quite the best means of seeing the countryside in the lovely months of early summer stanza. While when I was a child, my father had a number of little books which set out walks of many kinds stop. There were short walks and long walks, walks for the hour or for the day stop. These walks set out almost every step of the way, and they kept the walker away from the roads as far as possible stop. The landmarks were country buildings and farms and fields stop. A motor car cannot go across farmland stopping while those in it watch the animals or look at the growing plants, but the walker can, provided he keeps to certain parts and is careful stop. It is still possible to walk in the countryside for a whole day without going on to a wide motoring road stop. The motor car is a remarkably good way to get from one part of the country to another, but it is not the best way to see the details of the countryside. For the details, we must walk stop. The motor car offers us the general view, and walking offers us the little things stop. In the motor car, too, we cannot hear the sounds of the countryside, but the walker hears and knows them all stanza. Of course, not everyone likes the peace of the countryside stop. I knew a young woman who had lived all her young life right in the heart of the country's capital stop. She had never been away and knew nothing whatever about either the seaside or the countryside stop. After a year or two in an office, however, she found that she had some money in hand, and she heard the other office workers talking about where they were going for their leave in the summer stop. This caused her to make up her mind to go away somewhere, and she went with a friend to a little seaside place well known for its peacefulness and the beautiful countryside round about it stop. She had booked a room for 2 weeks, but after half a week she was back in town. Full stop. Over.